So, what are we doing?
Filling in this gap, putting on the side of the barn, finishing this wall up. Then we'll be on to the next.
And then we're on to the other side. That's what we're doing here. So, just a little hole in the wall we gotta fill in. There's one over there. Alright, so there we go. Milwaukee fuel impact driver. This is what we use for everything. I mean, literally anything we're doing. We'll just grab the Milwaukee impact drills and get it done. And we're also using the Milwaukee fuel cordless nailer. It's probably the best nailer for just eliminating cords and getting stuff done around the place. There we go, we got the panel up there, but we got that all closed in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little different from the rest of them, but you know, out here still using the four-wheelers and getting stuff done around. So, be sure to subscribe, check out this video up here, and I'll see you in the next video.